No, let's do this again because I forgot something. So this morning, let's do this again. This morning I woke up relatively late, but I was still perfectly fine. I was like 20 minutes before the last employee came, or workmate, or whatever you call it. Something funny happened at work, which I'll mention in a private video because, I'll mention names and stuff, so, But that was hilarious. In between work and home, I actually got messages from all three girls. I don't think I've answered any of them, and I'm starting to forget a few things. But I got 3 messages from the 3 girls, which was interesting. I thought only 1 or 2 knew about my bad memory, but I guess I told them all about my bad memory. No, like I said, I'm starting to forget stuff. But yeah, so that was cool. I replied to all of them. They all seemed like lovely people. It was a good dance of what I remember. That's the part I missed, so I had to redo this video. What else? I then rode my bike to the bloke's house who volunteered, and I gave him $20 to re-weld my bike. And look at that. Looks great. It's a good solid weld. This is my welding. Bit clumpy. Not the best. It works though. Bloody hell, it works. And this is his welding. Bloody solid. I'm taking the metal bracket off my battery because if you touch the screwdriver on the metal and then touch the positive here, it sparks. So I'm replacing it with a chopping board. He gave me the idea and it's a bloody great idea. So I'm going to use it. Yep. Other than that, not a lot happened today. Just the main highlight was the really stupid funny thing at work and talking to the people who I danced with. Yeah, that's about it. See ya.